All right. Very good afternoon, सभी को. We'll go ahead, all of you. चलो.
Yes.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Now हम लोगों ने कौन से कंसेप्ट किए हैं अब तक? Tell me.
Conditional probability.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए हम लोगों ने. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए, राइट? ऑल ऑफ यू.
Yes.
चलो. Rishikesh, give me formula of NPR, NCR and NPR. Ritesh, do you know? पता तुमको? Combination and permutation. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
No, sir.
Rishikesh.
Sir, not
Permutation.
done.
हाँ.
Sir, not done yet.
Not done yet. चैप्टर छोड़ दिया तुमने पूरा?
No, sir. Sir, revise नहीं किया अभी तक.
ये तो बहुत बेसिक चीज थी ना पर.
Yes, sir.
NPR is what? N factorial upon N minus R factorial. Huh? And NCR is what? N factorial upon
Yes.
R factorial into N minus R factorial. तो ये याद नहीं है. अच्छा ठीक है. Do you know basics, Kshitij, of this permutation or combination? Anything, any basic you know of this? या नहीं? Nothing at all. Tell me.
No, sir. I didn't revise.
अच्छा.
I'll go through the notes after this class.
हाँ ठीक है, no problem. अच्छा. But when do you use this permutation? For arrangement, है ना?
Yes.
To arrange certain things in a certain manner. For in that case we use permutation.
Okay.
And mainly for choosing something, what do we use?
Combination.
Combination. In that case we use combination. सही बात है? आया ना?
Yes.
Everybody? So NPR की तो हमको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. NCR combination will be what? N factorial upon N factorial upon what? R factorial into N minus R factorial. Right, all of you? Factorial उतना आता है कि नहीं? Factorial क्या होता है?
Yes.
है ना? You keep on reducing your multiplication ना that time, है ना? याद आ रहा है सभी को?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Good Sakshi, good afternoon. Sakshi, you can be in our Zoom call also. मतलब इसलिए you can message me. I'll give you the link from tomorrow or later on. Anyways, आगे बढ़े हम लोग बच्चों. Yeah, all of you. Okay, let's go ahead, all of you. चलो आगे बढ़े हम लोग.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा चलो एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम लोग. थोड़ा टफ वाला, ठीक है? अभी थोड़े टफ वाले क्वेश्चन है ना, अभी बेसिक्स हो गए अपने. थोड़े टफ लेवल के क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है? चलो. टेल मी आउट 53. Ready, all of you? Yes, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Question number 53. Let's try. क्या बोला है देखो, ठीक है? 53 में what are they saying? ABC are 3 mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Okay, पहली बात इतना दिया है. First of all कितने events दिए हैं मुझको ये बताओ. All of you tell me how many events are given?
3.
Sorry, events कितने ये दिया है अपने तुम्हारे? हाँ, events 3 events दिया है. A, B and C. हाँ या ना? All of you? All A, B, C are mutually exclusive. इसका मतलब क्या है?
Intersection
How do you
is
show it
0.
in the manner of sets? Sets में कैसे दिखाओगे? Sets के साइन में इसको कैसे दिखाएंगे हम लोग? P of A.
A intersection B.
Correct है.
Intersection C equals to 0.
Correct. A intersection B intersection C equal to 0. समझ रहे हैं तुमको ये Kshitij, right? Yes. Why? Since events
sir.
are mutually exclusive. सही बात है. All of you है ना?
Yes.
So if at all you want
Yes,
to
sir.
imagine this events in a Venn diagram, agar, okay, pay attention. This is just an example, okay? They will look something like this. right?
Yes.
This is event A, this is B, and this is C. So nothing is common between A, B, and C. That's why हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? They are
No
all three
intersection.
exclusive. No intersection, correct. And whatever is outside A, B, C is what, बच्चों? A dash intersection B dash intersection
C dash.
C dash.
and always probability is always total is 1. है
1.
ना? Yes, all of you. चलो.
Yes.
And now उन्होंने आगे दिया है कि वही वो three events A, B, C are mutually exhaustive also. So what will you say of this now? What do we know? If the events are mutually exhaustive, then what do we say? How do we show it in sets?
P of A union B union C
Very
equals
good.
to 1.
P of A union B union C equals to 1. Right, all of you? Achha. Now another thing. So this also you understood. Okay, since why? A, B, C are mutually exhaustive. Very good. Okay, Delia, simple, fine. Yeah,
Yes,
go
sir.
Delia, you understood? Fine. Now tell me, pay attention. What is the regular formula, normal formula for at A union B union C? Don't write down this, but tell me the last part. A union B union C. What is the regular formula? P of A plus
P of A
Plus
plus
P
P
of
of
B
B
plus
minus
C
P of C
minus A
minus
intersection
P
B
intersection B
Yes, sir.
minus
minus B
B
intersection C
intersection
minus C
C
intersection
minus
A
C
and
intersection
then
A plus
plus
P of
A
A
intersection B
intersection B
intersection
intersection C.
C. Correct. Right, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me in this example now. Okay, in this example, A union B union C. Formula is given, I mean, value is given to us, it is 1. Hai na? A union B union C is 1. But
Yes.
tell me, in this example, क्या हो जाएगा? It will be P of A plus P of B plus P of C. Will we write
Yes.
anything else उसके आगे? कुछ लिखेंगे हम उसके आगे?
No.
No, because A intersection B is 0, B intersection C is 0, C intersection A is 0, and all three intersection is also 0. So nothing to be done over there. Hi, Anna.
Yes.
And this
Yes,
value
sir.
equals to how much, bachcho?
1.
1. So in this example, P of A plus P of B plus P of C will be 1. Right? चौहान डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म कैसे साइन करवाएं? अगर आपको सीए या फिर प्रिंसिपल या फिर वो नहीं मिलता है तो आप आपका आधार कार्ड अपलोड कर सकते हो अभी फिलहाल के लिए. ठीक है, एग्जाम फॉर्म भरते वक्त आधार कार्ड अपलोड कर देना. और बाद में आपको 1 महीने बाद मान लो आपको अगर मिलता है कोई किसी का साइन तो फिर आपको ईमेल में भेजना है आपको अटेस्टेड डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म. राइट, ऑल ऑफ यू? हुआ यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now this was the basic details. Have you written it down? So in this example, A union B union C equals to P of A plus P of B plus P of C, which equals to 1. यहाँ तक हो गया सबका?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So ABC are 3 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events such that, but आगे भी कुछ ना कुछ हमको देके रखा है प्रॉपर्टी. चेक करो. P of A is 2 into P of B. सही बात है, all of you? Yes or no? This is given to you. P of A equals to 2 into P of B. इसका मतलब tell me which probability is bigger by itself. मतलब कौन बड़ा है इन दोनों में से? A या B? अभी इक्वल दिख रहा है, but without that multiplication of 2 कौन बड़ा? A बड़ा है ना? A is twice of B. कुछ समझ रहा है कि नहीं आपको? All of you?
Yes.
A is twice of B. When you multiply B with 2, then you are arriving at A. So A is bigger than B, no? A is twice of B. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so P of A is 2 into P of B, which is equals to 3 into P of C. So biggest is A, then B, and then C. All of you agree till here? Yes? This relationship between all these 3 events is given. This is given. Right, everybody? Okay? And what are they
Yes,
asking?
sir.
What is probability of event B? P of B is how much? YouTube पे जो भी लाइव है कमेंट कर दो, कुछ तो दिख रहा है वीडियो, समझ रहे हैं? टेल मी ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, यस एवरीबॉडी. बढ़े आगे? आर यू राइटिंग और नॉट विद मी? लिख रहे हो ना?
Yes.
अच्छा, so this details
Yes,
are
sir.
given to us and we are asked P of B. So here what we can do is, see, all three events A, B, C को, okay, or A, B, C, we will bring them in one single, you can say factor, one single, you can see notation. You will see that let, pay attention, let P of A equals to 2 of P of B, correct है? Equals to 3 of P of C equals to K. We'll just put them as a common, you can say, notation, K. Okay? Yes, clear all of you? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Let them, we will call all of them as in manner of K. Therefore, tell me, bachcho, P of A equals to K, yes or no? Check now, P of A equals to K.
Yes.
Then 2 into P of B equals to
K.
K. Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
also 3 of P into C equals to
K.
K.
K, sir.
3 of P of C equals to K. Right, all of you? Done?
Yes.
है ना? Therefore, since now P of A equals to K, वो तो there is no problem होता, that is normal, है ना? All of you okay till here? But यहाँ पे देखो, what can we do? 2 of P of B equals to K, मतलब twice of P of B equals to K. Therefore, can I say P of B equals to what, बच्चों?
K by 2.
K by 2. हाँ या ना? All of you. चलेगा यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Over here also I can say what? P of C equals to what?
K by 3.
K by 3. चलेगा? हाँ या ना? Now we have bought all three of them in manner of K. है कि नहीं बच्चों? इंटरनेट चला गया क्या? एक मिनट ना. Have you lost my voice? नहीं ना?
No, sir.
No, no, sir.
एक मिनट ना, एक मिनट. What happened from Zoom? एक मिनट. The screen got lost. 8 5 0383 ना. Can you go ahead?
Yes.
Are we on the screen now? We are, no? You can see, no?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. आज ये नहीं आई ना नताशा?
नहीं.
Okay. चलो, let's go ahead everybody. Fine. तो हम लोगों ने तीनों को एक लेवल पे लाया. So now tell me P of A, okay, plus P of B plus P of C. अब check करो बच्चों. I'm writing again. P of A, right? Plus P of B plus P of C. What is the value? Tell me बच्चों. Of all these three, addition का क्या रहेगा value? What did we find? Check करो. किया ना हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे P of A plus P of B plus P of C is how much? 1. दिखा कि नहीं? है ना? Everybody 1.
Yes.
अब यहाँ पे चेक करो उसका, हम लोगों ने K में जब कन्वर्ट किया तो क्या मिला हमको? P of A is K only. All of you agree?
Yes.
P of A is just K. P of B is how much? How much K? K by?
K by 2.
2. Very good. और P of C कितना है?
K by 3.
K by 3. Are you understanding or no, all of you? Equals to what? 1.
1.
Yes. चलो. Therefore, on the left hand side, how much can I take? Can I take 6 denominator में?
Yes.
This will be 6K, right? So into 2 into 3, so this will be 3K. Hi, na? And into 2, so this will be 2K. Is what? 1. Right, all of you? Hi, na? So this is how much? 11K equals to 6 into 1? 6. बराबर है? So K is how much? 6 by 11. All of you agree or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? Is it correct till here, all of you?
Yes.
So now, Can you understand here? हमको पूछा P of B है, but tell me P of A was how much? Just a K ना, normal K, which is how much? 6/11. K का वैल्यू अपने पास आ गया, हाँ या ना? हमको पूछा है P of B in manner of K. In manner of K कैसा था? वो K/2 था ना?
K/2.
अब K का वैल्यू कितना है?
6/11.
6/11. The whole upon 2. This I can say, अगर ऐसा लिखना तो 6/11 the whole upon 2, right? This is
Yes.
also what 6/11 into 2/1. Sorry, into 1/2. This 2/1 ना, so into 1/2. बराबर है?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This will be what? 6/20. Understood or no, all of you?
Yes.
What is the topic for next revision? Varsha, we will be starting with theoretical distribution after probability. So probability will go on for 1 or 2 days more. All of you got it till here? Pakka?
Yes.
So 6/11
Yes,
or 6/22? It is 6/22.
22.
Option B. है ना? Got it till here? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Very good. So let's go ahead, everybody. So 49. Question number 49 now. Ready, all of you?
Yes.
What is the chance of getting at least one defective item? Okay. What is the chance of getting at least one defective item if 3 items are drawn randomly from a lot containing 6 items, of which 2 are defective items? Okay. Pay attention what is happening. Let us say again there is some box. Okay, everybody. And then there are items in it. But what kind of items are there? There are defective items, and all of you. And then there are non-defective. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
This is what data is given to us. What is the chance of getting at least one defective? We leave that if 3 items are drawn. But first of all, what is the, you can say, strength or the contents in the box? How many are there? There are 6 items. So totally there are what? 6 items in that, right, all of you? And then they are saying out of which 2 are defective. So out of 6 items, 2 are defective. Therefore, non-defective are how many? 4. है कि नहीं? Hi na, all of you, everybody.
Yes, sir.
And now they are saying, now check in the question. What is the chance of getting at least one defective item? At least one. If 3 items are drawn, from that lot, okay? That means how many, what are we choosing? How many things are we choosing? How many items are we choosing from this?
3.
Yes, we are choosing 3 items, right? And from those 3 items, at least one should be defective. Yes or no, all of you? Now pay attention. How this will happen, okay? Pay attention. I'll write down your defective. Okay. Then I'll write down non-defective. And then I'll write down total. Please pay attention now. This is again how we'll solve all of these questions. How many total items are there in the box or whatever? It is 6, right? Out of that, 2 are defective, so 4 are non-defective. Yes or no? Yes, everybody. How many items you are going to choose at a time?
3.
You're going to choose 3 items at a time. Now they want how many defective? At least 1. Hi, Anna. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So imagine there is a box. Out of that, you are removing 3 items. And in those 3 items, at least 1 should be defective. So there can be what? 1 defective or 2 defective or 3 defective, correct? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At least.
No.
You say at least 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. but defective items total in total are how many?
2.
Only
2.
2, na? How many defective they want? At least 1, na? So 1 or above. At least means what? 1 or above. So if I select 1 defective, that means how many non-defective I'm selecting? 2. Because I have to select 3 items at a time. No. All of you understood or no? Right?
Yes.
This is one possibility. Or what is another possibility? Tell me, Kshitij. Can I select 2 defectives? Yes.
Yes.
You want at
Yes,
least
sir.
1 defective. So we can select 2 defectives. So balance 1 will be what? Non-defective.
Not.
Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Is there any other possibility? Something like this? Tell me.
No.
No, sir.
Very good. This is what you have to understand. This is not possible. You know? Understood here?
Yes,
There are
sir.
only 2 possibilities. Now, please pay attention. This is a question of arrangement or choosing.
Choosing.
This choosing. Choosing means combinations. Now, please pay attention. There are 2 defective items. So from that, you will choose any one of the defective, right? And from 4 non-defective, you will choose 2. Hey, all of you. So ultimately, in totality, you are choosing what? 3 items from 6 items. All of you agree till here? That is one possibility or one way of doing it. Another what? From 2 defectives, you will select both the defectives. From 4 non-defective, you will select 1 non-defective. So ultimately, you're choosing what? 3 items from 6 items. All of you agree or not? Yes? All
Yes,
of you?
sir.
Very good. Have you written this table? Have you drawn this table? All of you YouTube
Yes.
follow, tell me Hindi, English, what you want. Okay? कुछ रहेगा YouTube follow, please tell me. Are you understanding or not? Give me a feedback. Bolo. Yes? Can you do this?
Yes.
Chalo. Now, obviously, the question is what? In how many ways we can select one item from 2 items? Okay, which one I'm talking about? This one. One item from 2 items is defective items I'm talking about. Therefore, चलो आगे लिखे हम लोग. Therefore, what बच्चों 2C1 into, pay attention, into what बच्चों 4C2. Are you understanding or no? Everybody. This is for first combination. First, you can say combination. Okay, out of the whole upon what बच्चों 6C3. Are you understanding why am I doing this? Always, our probability formula is always what, बच्चों? Tell me. P of A equals to what? M upon N. I write down, ना? है ना? What does that N mean? N का मतलब क्या है? Total number of possibilities, है ना? All of you.
Yes,
Clear
sir.
till here? And M means what? Number of ways of event A, है ना? Whichever satisfies event A. Clear है कि नहीं? Okay, clear all of you? Fine? Pakka? Yes, everybody. That's why I'm dividing.
Yes, sir.
So this is like numerator means what? Number of ways in which this can be done, and denominator all possible number of ways. Clear hai? Now between both of these we have OR, so we have to add it up. We have to add. Yes or no? Add. So add it up. Now what is second combination? 2C2. 2C2 into what, bachcho? 4C1. Yes. The whole upon again same thing. 6C3. Yes, everybody.
Yes.
अब इसको ये चैप्टर को तुम लोग इसमें डालोगे ऑप्शन में तो कैसे होगा प्रोबेबिलिटी? हमको तो वो वी हैव टू सॉल्व ईच एंड ऑल ना. व्हाट डिड आई से बच्चों? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एनसीआर? टेल मी. n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. You want me to solve this? है ना? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So check 2C1 will be what? You have to use this formula. चलेगा? 2C1 means n is 2 and r is 1. Are you understanding or no? All of you?
Yes.
चलेगा? Check करो. So 2 factorial upon 1 factorial, okay? In bracket 2 minus 1 factorial. Are you understanding? This is how you'll show it. समझे?
Yes.
Okay. Into 4C2. 4 factorial upon, tell me, 2 factorial into 4 1 is 2 factorial. Right? upon 63. So 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Hi Anna.
Yes, sir.
Plus I'll write down over here now below this 2c2. So 2 factorial upon r is also 2 factorial into what? 2 minus 2 factorial. Yes, everybody, into 4c1. So 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into what? 4
4 minus
minus
1.
1 factorial. And denominator is again the same, 63. So what about 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. Did you all write down or not? Tell me.
Yes.
YouTube students, are you understanding? Those who are watching on YouTube, understanding or no? Sure. Let's go ahead. Shall we solve? 2 factorial means what? 2 into 1, which is 2. What I'm
2.
talking about now? I'm talking about this. Chalega? 2 factorial means
Yes,
what?
sir.
2 into 1, which is 2 only, na? Hai ki nahi?
Yes.
2 upon. Now, 1 factorial means 1. Okay.
1.
And 2 minus 1 is also 1. Factorial is also 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So that denominator is actually 1. So it is useless to us as actually. Are you understanding?
Yes.
So 2 factorial upon 1 is, 2 upon 1 is just 1 only, no? 2 upon 1 is just 2 only, no? So no
Yes.
use over there. Then let us focus on this part now. Okay. 4 factorial. Pay attention now. Into, I'm writing into. 4 factorial upon 2 factorial and again into 2 factorial. Pay attention. So 4 factorial I can write down as 4 into 3 into what? 2 factorial. All of you agree till here?
Yes.
Upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1 is 2 only. You know? And then 4 minus 2 is also 2 factorial.
2 factorial.
2 into 2 factorial. What can we cancel out? 2 factorial cancelled. And this also
Yes.
what? 2.
2.
You know? All right. This is what we got over there. All of you agree till here?
Yes.
The whole upon. What do we have? 6c3. So 6 factorial. So 6 factorial I can also write as 6 into 5 into 4 into what? 3 factorial.
3.
Right, all of you? 3 factorial means what? 3 into 2 into 1. You know? And then 6 minus 3 is also 3 factorial. All of you. Right? What can we cancel out over here? 3 factorial gone. 3 into 2 is what? 6 is also gone. You know? All of you understood or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Okay. Plus, we are writing the second part now. Okay, all of you? 2 factorial means what? 2 into 1 upon 2 factorial also again what bacho? 2 into 1. Hai na? All of
Yes.
you. And 2 minus 2 is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is also 1. So basically this will all cancel out now. Answer will be 1.
1.
Understood or no? Tell me. 1 into now 4 factorial. So 4 factorial I can also write in as 4 into what? 3 factorial
3.
upon 1 factorial is 1 only. So again useless to us. There is no point in writing it down. 1 factorial into 4 minus 3 is what? 3 factorial. Right, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hey, no? Again, can we cancel it out? Yes, we can. 3 factorial gone, 3 factorial gone. Right, all of you? Now, whole upon was what? Same thing, na? What?
Yes.
This is both of them are same only. Right, everybody?
Sir.
Can you see or not? So, what had we finalized over there? The answer 5 4s are 20, no?
20.
Right, all of you agree?
Yes.
Now, again, focus over here. What remains? Tell me. 2 into
6.
2 and into 3, yes or no? 3 to the 6 and 6 to the
3 to the
12.
6 to 12.
Yes, so 12 upon 20, is it right? First paragraph. 12 by 20. Do you all agree?
Yes.
12 by 20. 12 by 20. And this one is what, Bachu? 4 by
4
20.
by 20.
Yes, all of you. Second one is what now? 4 by 20. Right, everybody? This is almost 16 by
16 by 20.
or 4 by 5. है ना? is how much? 4/5 is what? 0.8.
0.8.
0.8 is correct.
Yes.
All of you. 0.8 option is what then?
C.
C. And now all of you. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Understood na pakka na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more. Okay. We can do this one. 46. All of you. Let's try 46. Okay.
Yes.
What is the probability of having at least 1 6? Okay. At least 1 6 from 3 throws of a perfect die. 3 throws. All of you? Are you understanding?
Yes,
That
sir.
means what? Pay attention. What is happening over here? There is one die, है ना? But how many times it is rolled?
3 times.
Yes. So rolled or throw. So throw number 1, throw number 2, and you can say throw number what? 3. What do you want in each of the case? You want 6? Yes or no, all of you? Everybody? Are हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Yes? Is it okay, Delia? You want 6 in each of those 3 throws, है ना? No, it is at least 1. No, sorry. It is at least 1, है ना?
At least 1.
Sorry. So it is not like that. It is not like that. So at least 1, bapre. Means what? Even if once it appears, that is okay. You know? I'm just giving you example. Pay attention. 6 here, or 6 here, or 6 here, like this, yeah? Or 6, 6, and then something else. 6, 6, and something else. Then this is 6 and 6. And lastly, what you can have? 6, 6, 6. Are you understanding? Did you understand or no? That is the meaning of at least 1, no? Understood or no, all of you? All these things can happen. All right, Delia? So basically, pay attention. I want the probability of, pay attention. I want the probability of 6 in throw number 1, or in 6 in throw number 2, or 6 in throw number 3. Now, whenever I am writing 6 over here, okay, it will be at least 1.
Yes.
Probability of at least 1, 6. Okay, out of 3 rolls. Yes or no, all of you? Everybody tell me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this can be done very easily. Pay attention. By saying that 1 minus. क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग बच्चों? 1 minus क्या कर सकते हैं? What can we do? If I want at least one time, at least once I want 6, I can say what I don't want. Tell me. क्या नहीं चाहिए? हाँ?
All or not.
In all 3 rolls, 6 should not be there.
Yes.
Are you understanding? Again, I'm saying the same thing. I'm saying what? P of A equals to what? 1 minus P of A dash. है ना? ये याद है ना सभी को? All of you remember this, no? So if I say I want 6, for example, okay, on a die. Example I'm saying. So 1 minus what should I say? No 6.
No 6.
Again.
Yes, sir.
Now, therefore, when I say, in the current example, when I say I want at least once, we want a 6, no? On the roll. on the die, sorry. It means what? 1 minus what? No 6 at all. Beginning, right on this part. If you want at least 1 6, that means it is 1 minus no 6 at all. Now 1 minus no 6 at all means what, bachcho? Are you understanding or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No 6 in roll 1, है ना? Roll number 1. Roll means throw number 1, right? And no 6 in roll number, tell me, 2. Roll number means throw, huh? Understanding, na? As well as no 6 in what? Roll number or throw number 3. Did you understand? That means we have thrown or rolled the dice 3 times, but in none of them we got 6. That will be part of 8 dash now or complement. Understood or no? All of you. Write down this. So what is the probability of not having a 6? Tell me in a die or in a roll. When you're rolling a die, you don't want 6. What is its chance? Tell me, all of you. Everybody, let me ask you a question. When a die is rolled, pay attention. Die is rolled. Okay. Okay, everybody. Probability of getting a 6 is how much, Kshitij? What do you think? Rishikesh?
1 by 6.
1 by
Yes, it is
m
1
by
by
n.
6. M by n is 1 by 6. There is only one 6. And denominator is all 6 numbers, 1 by 6. Therefore, P of not getting a 6 is will be how much?
5 by 6.
Yes. And now 5 by 6. Complementary. 1 minus 1 by
Yes,
6
sir.
is what? 5 by 6. Right, all of you? Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Ah. So no 6 in roll number 1. In throw number 1. What is the probability?
5 by 6.
5 by 6. And means what? Add or multiply.
Multiply.
Again in roll number 2 or die number or throw number 2 also there is no 6. What is the
5
probability of
by
no
6.
6? Also 5 by 6.
Yes, sir.
And again in die or you can say throw number 3. Again there is no 6. What is its chance?
5 by 6.
5 by 6. You can either multiply or just check over here. What is correct? 5 by 6 the whole cube or 1 minus 5 by 6 the whole cube. Which one is correct? Check now. We will combine these 3. So what we got?
Yes.
5 by 6 3 times.
Hmm.
So I can say what 5 by 6 into 3 times is what? Cube only, no?
Yes.
Yeah. 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 is what after all? It is cube.
Yes, sir.
1 minus 5 by 6 the whole cube. Option
D.
B is correct. Right, all of you understood till here? Varsha understood?
Yes.
Sakshi? Okay. Let's go ahead, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let's do 47. Ready?
Yes.
Let's read. 2 balls are drawn from a bag. So there is a bag containing 5 white and 7 black balls. Okay. 5 white and 7 black balls. So total how many bachcho? 12, right?
12.
And how many are you choosing? 2.
2.
What is the probability that they would be of different colors? Wow, very nice. है ना बच्चों? Nice question. They would be of different colors.
Different colors.
Now when you're choosing 2 balls, did you understand the random experiment? There is a bag in front of you with 5 white and 7 black balls, right? And you're choosing 2 balls. Now they will be of different colors. That means now tell me, there is only one way of doing this. What will you do? What is possibility? Tell me. How it is possible to be of 2 different colors? Both the balls. You choose what? Tell me.
One white, one black.
Yes, by choosing one white and what? One. This is what, black, no?
Hmm.
One black ball. And all of you. That is how you choose what? 2 balls total. You know? Right, all of you? Yes.
Yes.
And total you're choosing 2 balls from 12 balls. So tell me, how will you choose one white ball? One white ball from 5. Yes? Hayana?
Yes.
Again, always keep in mind, our probability formula is always what? M upon N.
M upon N.
Yeah. So how many balls are there? 5 white. So 5 upon total balls are how many? 12. Into black, how many bachcho? How many are there? 7 out of
12.
yes or no? The whole upon what? That's it. That's it, no?
Mm.
All of you?
Yes.
Check how much this comes to. 35 by 144. Is it coming to any short answer? I would have done in this way.
Sir, we can do the combination formula.
That is better. 5C1
Yes.
into 7C1
7
upon
7
12C2.
12C2.
Do that.
5 into 7 upon 66.
Sorry, something different on it came. So 5C1 is 5, 7C1 is what? 7. 12C2. If at all you want to again do it from combination point of view. So what will be our answer? 12 factorial upon 2 factorial into 10 factorial. Remember NCR formula which we did some time back. So 12 factorial, I can also say 12 into 11 into what? 10 factorial, right? 2 factorial is 2 only. Into 10 factorial, we will cancel it out. So 11 into 6 is 6 into 11 is 66. Right, all of you?
Yes.
Which is 35 by 66. Option A is
A.
Done, everybody?
Hmm.
What do you do? If 2 letters, everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If 2 letters are taken at random from the word home, 2 letters are taken from the word what? Home. So how many letters are available? 4. And you're going to
Yes.
choose what? 2. Right? Then what is the probability that none of the letters going to be what? Vowels. So here this word home you can divide into what? Vowels and tell me consonants, no? And then we write what? Total. Total how many alphabets are there? 4.
4.
Vowels are how many now in this?
OE.
2. Yes, O and E. So 2 alphabets and consonants are remaining are 2. Yes.
4.
How many letters we are going to choose? 2 letters are taken at random. So total we are going to take 2. Yes or no?
2.
Then they are saying that none of the letters which we are going to choose would be vowels. We want no vowels at all. We want no vowels at all. So we want what? Both consonants. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
How will you show the combination 2C0 into 2C2 upon 4C2? Yes, everybody? Ready or not? Any other way of doing that? Nothing. There is no other way, na? Therefore, 2C0 is what? 1 only. Into what? 2C2. The whole upon also now 4C2. Again, if you want me to solve that in combination, 2C0 will be 1 only. Check. 2 factorial upon 0 factorial into 2 minus 0 is what? 2 factorial. It will cancel out one answer, right? Into 2C2 is also 1 only. Check. 2 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 minus 2 is 0 factorial. Again, it will cancel out. Yes or no? 1. Whole upon 4C2 is what? 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Right, all of you? Okay. Hi, Anna. Everybody. Yes or no? Therefore, what? This is what? This answer is what? 1. Into this answer is also what, bachcho? 1. है ना? Now, 4 factorial is what? 4 into 3 into what, bachcho? 2 factorial. Upon 2 factorial just 2 into what? 2 factorial. What will happen? Tell me. Are you there or no?
Yes, sir.
1 by 6. Answer is what? 1 by 6 then. है ना? 1 remains and then 2 into 3 is what? 1 by 6. Clear till here, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Let's go ahead. Everybody?
Yes.
Done? Let's go ahead. 65 will try 65, bachcho. Everybody? Guys? Question number
Okay,
68.
sir.
Ready? Check. If two unbiased dice are rolled, if what, bachcho? All of you? If two unbiased dice are rolled, what is my sample size? 36. Remember?
Yes.
Hi, Anna. What is the probability of getting points neither 6 nor 9? What is asked? See, n of s, that is my sample size is what, 36, we know that, okay? By rolling what? What is my random experiment? Rolling of 2 dice. You know? Yes or no? Everybody.
Yes.
Therefore, probability of neither 6 nor 9, they are asking you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody? Now again, the same thing you can write down also as what? So basically you don't want 6 and you don't want 9. Yes or no? So you want probability of what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10,
10,
11 and 12. That you have to add up. And now, will we do like that? We will not do like that. What can we do? What can we do? Again, use common sense.
1 minus P dash, A dash.
Yes. So tell me now, 1 minus A dash we are going to do. Now in the question we want no 6 nor 9. So 1 minus what should I write? I want 6 and then I want 9. Understood or no? That is how I'll write, no? See, obviously this will be exactly opposite or no?
Yes.
Both these things have to be exactly opposite.
Opposite.
Understood or no? Pakka? All of you?
Yes, sir.
So I say in bracket what? Okay, probability of 6 or 9. Can I get both? A number can be 6 also and 9 also sum? No. So probability is the sum is either 6
No.
or 9. Understood or no?
9.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Understood.
Pakka? Now it becomes easy. Now it is or means you have to add up, no? So right,
Add.
equals to 1 minus. Now check what is the sum, what is the probability of getting a sum of 6? You have to check that in your table. where you are getting sum of
Five.
6. 5 items.
Mm.
अच्छा 1 5 5 1 3 3 है ना 4 2 2 4. Anything else remains? Tell me.
Mm.
Are you understanding, Kshitij, what we are discussing? There are 5 events where you're getting the sum is 6. Yes, everybody? Is it right, Kshitij? Apna Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
5 by 36. And sum you want 9. Example, okay? Sum you want 9. What? 6 3 3 6 5 4 4 5. What else?
4. 4.
4 items only?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes.
So 4 by
36.
36. So 1 minus 9 by 36.
36.
है ना? Will be how much? What have they given you? Acha. 9 by 36. 1 minus 9 by 36 is what? 1 by 4, na? 1/4.
Mm.
That is minus 0.25. That in that case, our main answer is what?
0.75.
0.75. Option C. Right? Fantastic.
Yes.
मजा आया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
है कि नहीं? Done, all of you?
Yes.
Sure. So one question, let me do it for today. 69. Come on. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A bag contains 8 red and 5 white balls. 8 red, 5 white. Okay, all of you ready? 13, no? Total 13.
13.
Yes. Now, 2 successive draws of 3 balls are made without replacement. Okay, that means from here you draw number 1. Draw number 1, all of you. Of how many balls? 3 balls. That means from 13 balls, how many you removed? 3 you removed. All of you.
3.
So 2 successive draws
Yes.
of 3 balls are made. That means you are drawing twice. First of 3 balls and then again of 3 balls. So draw number 2. Pay
Yes.
attention. Again of 3 balls. But now draw number 2 is happening out of how many balls? 13 or 10?
10.
10, because they are saying it is made without replacement. That means what? First 3 balls removed, it is kept away. They are not put back. Okay. That's why we are calling it as without replacement. Understood? Fine. Okay. What are they saying? The probability that the first draw will produce 3 white balls. Okay. 3 balls removed. So we want all 3 of them to be what, bacho? White balls. Okay, everybody? Yes or no? And the second draw will produce 3 red balls is how much? Did you understood or no? Bacho, tell me. Everybody? Pakka? Okay. So tell me, bacho, what do you want? In draw number 1, what do you want? 3 what? White balls, no? Everybody. And in draw number 2, what do you want? 3 red balls. Yes or no? Everybody? Yes? Everyone, tell me. YouTube students, please comment something in live chat. Are समझा कि नहीं ऋषिकेश, क्षितिज?
Yes, sir.
So now check. Everyone, please be careful. You want 3 white balls. From 5 white balls, in how many ways you can choose, bachcho? 3 white balls from 5 white balls. In 5C3 ways.
5C3.
And in that case, how many total balls are there? 13.
13.
From there, you're choosing 3 balls. It is M upon N. Now, M is what? Choosing white balls. So choosing 3 white balls from 5. And denominator is always number of ways you can choose. So you're choosing 3 balls from 13 balls. That is total number of possibilities. Now here you have what? And you have to multiply. And
Yes.
now you're going to choose what? 3 red balls. From how many balls? From how many red balls? 8 balls. So 8 red balls. From there you're choosing 3 red balls. But denominator is what now? This is very important. But you're choosing the red balls,
10.
but from 13 balls or 10
10C3.
balls?
10.
You're choosing the red balls from 10 balls. Understood or no?
Yes.
This is the only change or difference. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Pakka? So can we solve?
Hmm.
So 5C3 is what? 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Right, all of you? The whole upon 13 factorial upon 3 factorial into 10 factorial. Right, all of you? Into
Yes.
8 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 factorial. The whole upon 10 factorial upon 3 factorial into 7 factorial. Yes, let's solve, all of you. So 5 into 4 into what, bacho? 3 factorial. It will cancel with 3 factorial. And 2 factorial is just 2, right? The whole upon 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial, right? Upon 3 into 2. 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2 into 1. And into what? 10 factorial. That will cancel out into 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. The whole upon 3 into 2 into what? 5 factorial upon 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 7 factorial. Right? All of you done till here? Check. What all will cancel out? 3 factorial, 3 factorial cancelled. And this will be 2. Then 10 factorial, 10 factorial cancelled. Then 3 to the 6, 6 into 2. Right, all of you? 5 factorial, 3 into 2, 6 gone. 7 factorial, 7 factorial. Then 3, 3s are 9. And 2 into 5. Yes, all of you? Pakka na? So check, what do I get over here? 5 2s are 10. Upon what do I get in 13 into 2? 26. 26 into 11 is how much? 286, is it right? Tell me. Everybody? Hi, Anna. 8 into 7, 56. Upon 5, there are 15 into 8. 120. Is it right, bacho? Tell me. And now let's try to check from options which one will be correct. Can we simplify this further? Can we simplify this further? Yes. Twelve, na? And then 56 by. Can we do this here now? What can we do? Let me check. 56 by 286 by 286 into 12 is 3432. Now, if at all you're stuck in this situation, find out find out in decimal. 56 by 286 into 12. 56 by 3432. It comes to 0.0163. You know? 0.016317. Now, if at all you are unable to reduce the answer, then you can just check where it is matching. 5 by 223. No, not matching. 6 by 257. Not matching. 7 by 429. Yes, perfectly matching. Check this is correct. All of you. And if at all you want, you can check option D also. 3 by 548. Not matching. Understood or no, all of you? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So instead of again wasting time in further simplification, you can put it in decimal and then compare in the option. You know, which one is correct. Done, all of you?
Yes.
Understanding na pakka?
Hmm.
That is it for today then. Chalega? Everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll do then question number 70 onwards. Whatever is written.
Okay.
Fine, all of you. Anybody any doubt till now?
No.
Nothing, no?
No.
Chalega. Okay. Fine, everybody. YouTube students, any feedback, anything you want to say, join, tell us, okay? Okay, all of you. Yes? Fine, everybody?
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
Okay, then
Bye,
tata.
sir.
Bye. Bye, bye, bye. You can always like the video on this, huh? On YouTube. And please share with your friends. All right? Chalo. Bye, guys. Take care.